Want to shop globally without the hassle? Meet the Skrill Card. In 2025, getting yours is easy. Step 1. Create a verified Skrill account in an eligible country. Step 2. Head to the Skrill Card section in your app. Step 3. Order your physical or virtual card. It's that simple. Instantly use your virtual card for online purchases and wait for the physical card to arrive for worldwide ATM and POS access. Skrill Card. Your wallet, amplified. Get yours today. Your step-by-step guide to getting a Skrill Card, 2025. Important note, Skrill Card availability varies by region. The physical Skrill prepaid MasterCard is primarily available to residents of authorized European Economic Area, EEA countries, and the UK. The Skrill Visa prepaid card, both physical and virtual, is available to verified residents of the United States. This guide will focus on the general process, but always check Skrill's website for the most current country-specific information. Step 1. Create and verify your Skrill account. This is the foundation. You must have a fully verified Skrill account in an eligible country. Sign up. Go to the Skrill website or download the app. Provide your details. You'll need to enter your personal information, including your name, address, and contact details. This information must be accurate and match your official ID. Verify your identity. Skrill will require you to complete a verification process, which usually involves submitting a photo of your ID and a proof of address. Step 2. Navigate to the card section. Once your account is verified and you have a positive balance, you're ready to apply for the card. Log in. Access your Skrill account on the app or website. Find the Card tab. Look for a section or tab labeled Skrill Card, Prepaid Card, or similar. Step 3. Choose and order your card. Skrill often offers both virtual and physical cards. For a virtual card, click Get Your Virtual Card. You'll need to review and accept the terms and conditions. The virtual card will be issued instantly with its own unique number, CVV, and expiry date, allowing you to start shopping online immediately. For a physical card, click Get Your Card. You'll be prompted to confirm your shipping address and set a 4-digit PIN. Agree to the terms and conditions and any applicable fees. The card is typically delivered within 5 to 15 business days. Step 4. Activate your card. Once your physical card arrives, it's time to bring it to life. Online activation. Log into your Skrill account, go to the card section, and follow the prompts to activate your new card. You'll need to enter a few details from the card itself. First transaction. To fully enable contactless payments, your first transaction with the physical card must be a chip and PIN transaction at a store or ATM. Step 5. Load and spend. Your Skrill card is linked directly to your Skrill account balance. Load funds. Use your linked bank account, credit card, or other supported methods to add money to your Skrill wallet. Start spending. Use your card anywhere that accepts Visa or MasterCard, depending on your card type. Enjoy making secure payments online, in stores, or withdrawing cash from ATMs worldwide. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process and are ready to take control of your spending with your new Skrill card.